So let's start the webinar. So this webinar is for trade recaps of the trades that I had on June 1st. So on June 1st, yesterday, I was watching Amazon, and let's go over the daily charts on SPY and Amazon, and you will see what I'm talking about. So ignore these lines, you will see what it is about. But recently SPY basically started getting above 9 and 21 EMA. It went above 9 and 21 EMA on May 27th, and for now it is holding 407 level, which is a critical level for SPY for now. If it holds this zone, we may have another setup above this 417 and then another leg up on SPY. So everyone is watching for 7, and this if you hold here and push higher and then hold 417, this will be the higher high, higher lows, and a good confirmation for a possible bounce in the market. The same scenario is happening in basically QQQ as well. So I am watching QQQ above this 312 for a possible bounce. So what happened on June 1st? On June 1st, yesterday, SPY was kind of holding, SPY opened around this 415. If we go to yesterday's price action before the market open, this was what we were seeing on SPY. So before the market open, SPY was pushing here, was hitting around 415. I was watching 415 level for a possible push up till 416.5 and 417 area. And well, that was what I was watching, and the only stock that was setting up pretty nice yesterday was Amazon. Amazon was kind of pushing in the pre-market. It was holding above yesterday's high and yesterday's close, which was around 2440 area, and in the pre-market was around 2450, 2455 zone. If I go to 5-minute chart, you can see it a little bit better. This was basically 2450, around 2450 was pre-market level. So I was watching this level for a push to the upside. At the same time, I wanted to see the overall market is pushing as well. So if I bring up the SPY and Amazon in the morning, let me bring up this chart. Yeah, this is good. So Amazon, the same thing on Amazon. Yesterday it was holding in the pre-market, and I wanted to see a push in the pre-market level on Amazon along with SPY. I had 2500 and 2600 Amazon calls in my watch list ready for trading, like basically scalping, and these are my entries. I will bring up these entries and talk about my trades one by one. So the first trade was at 931. I will talk about it here. The first trade was at 931 after I saw a push in the first minute. The market was also pushing. Amazon was approaching pre-market levels, and at the break of at 931, at the break of this 2455, I entered. At the break of this 2455, I entered Amazon calls. These were my trades. I entered 2 Amazon calls, 2500. I went in with approximately 6,000 basically initial investment, and this was pretty small entry, and I made like $600. So 10% on this move from 931 and 4 seconds till 931 and 20 seconds. So it was like 16 seconds, and I made $600, almost $600 in like less than 1 minute. and I got out very early here because I was not really interested in seeing this huge week. When I saw this price, basically bid is getting below this 2463, 2462 area. I was not comfortable holding. It was very early in the morning. Usually when it is very early, I go with small size and I will get out very fast. I don't want to hold. Usually I go in with, if I go with a bigger size, I will scale out. But here I was not comfortable because this 2460 was another critical level, and I was seeing sellers are strong here, so I got out. After that, I saw, okay, seems like we are holding here around below this 2460. I got into another position at this 933, which is this trade at 933. I entered, let me bring up here, at 933 I entered 3 contracts at price of 11.18 and got out after again like 20 seconds I think. At 933 got out at the price of 11.8 and made around $180 again in less than like, I don't know, 30 seconds. Again, another reason for getting in and out very fast is that, like, look at 933 here on SPY. At the same time when Amazon was pushing, SPY was pushing down. I was not comfortable holding here because recently the market is really tough. In the first few minutes, like first 3, 4, 5 minutes, we are seeing some like push to the upside, and then after that the market reverses hard. The same thing exactly happened like on June 1st, like exactly the same thing happened. So and if you remember, Amazon was really strong yesterday. Even after this huge sell-off in the market, Amazon was holding for a long time, and after like 10:30 it started pushing back down. But overall, Amazon held yesterday, like if you compare it to many other tech names. Anyway, because of that, I got out. Another entry was around this 935 area where I saw SPY is holding at 934, 935. I entered 3 contracts at price of 10.93, another 3 contract at price of 10.7 here at 935. Because SPY was holding, Amazon was holding, and I saw bid is pushing here, so I got in here, held for held 935 candle, and at 936 candle I slowly scaled out. So in this position, I was in this trade, I was in 6 contracts, so I was comfortable scaling out. So I scaled out some of the contracts, 2 of the contracts at 11.7, the other one at 12.8, and then the other one kind of went break even red around this 938. Yeah, I held it here, and at 938 when I saw this candle is pushing back down, I got out. I usually do not let the contracts go below my entry price when I'm up, but Amazon's spread is really wide, and you can't really avoid like you can't get out exactly at 11.7, so I tried to get out almost at break even. Next trade was around 939. At this candle I was expecting another push here. When I saw this candle, you see this was a fake out, and I got into this fake out. I entered here, and then I saw prices pushing down, and you see this was kind of seems like it was holding at the moment. This candle was a green candle. It started here and went all the way up till here. I entered like at around this 24.74, anticipating another push here, but well, you see SPY went all the way down, and it was a fake out, and I got out with $272 loss. So if you check out until here, I had 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss, and I had $600 profit, 180 here around like 500, and then 270 loss. So basically my win percentage was good and reward to risk ratio is kind of makes sense in all of these trades. I entered here, my stop loss is here. When I entered here, my stop loss was very tight and I got out. So because I'm scalping, I have very tight stop losses. It may not be the same for you, it's okay, but this is my trading style. Around 9, do you have any questions until now? If you have any questions, just text or send or write the message in the trading chat. I will check out there. So and my winners are based mostly twice as the loss, the losers. Like the loss was 270, the wins were like $500, $600, almost 2R. And the next trade was around 9:45. So after here, I was like, okay, Amazon is kind of the overall market is kind of affecting Amazon. Amazon was really strong. The bid was trying to push here and bring back up the price higher, but the market went below EMAs and it was struggling getting above 415. I was not really that confident getting into any other trades, but around this 9:45, at the moment when I entered, SPY was kind of pushing above this 415 area. I entered here and then the market kind of pushed back down, but I was confident holding because Amazon didn't even get below this 2477 area, which was like around my stop loss. I was holding this these contracts at 9:45. I entered at 9:45. I entered 3 contracts, and like 3 seconds after that, I entered another 3 contracts. The average price was 12.4 here, and it never got below this 2477 area that I was watching. So although the market was really pushing down here, the Amazon was very strong. At this candle, I was really looking for just a tiny push in the market for Amazon to run, and this happened in this candle. In this candle, at the when this candle was creating, it opened here and went all the way up till 415, and Amazon went from 2480 all the way up till 2490.93. So so this was the trade that I was looking for, and after that again Amazon was struggling. I tried to scale out again in this trade. I got in to 6 contracts, average price 12.4, got out of 3 of them at 9:47. At the end of this candle, closed $270 here, and then scaled out one by one. The last contract again at 9:48, it like I went out at break even. So this these may not make sense for you, like someone may get in here and get out here. If I was getting out here, all the contracts I could make like, I don't know, a few bucks more. But scaling out can be really great opportunity and great strategy to maximize the profits when the market is really pushing higher. Like if Amazon was creating high lows, and after that when I got out, Amazon went higher, but I was not really going to hold during this pullback, because the market is not really holding. If the market was creating higher highs, yeah, I could hold Amazon, but when the market is pushing down and it is having a hard time getting above 415, I will try to scalp very fast and do not basically do not hold any positions, because at any moment the market can push the price on Amazon lower. Like here it happened at 10, Amazon went below EMAs and then boom, went all the way down. You don't want to hold this, especially in these days. So yeah, on June 1st there wasn't any, it wasn't the cleanest setup on Amazon, but by managing risk and having almost A plus entries, you could have some opportunities. And Amazon premiums went up like crazy. Like these contracts went up like $1.5. It's like more than 10%. Here I made another 10%. Like here, I don't know, I made like almost again like around 10%. So within seconds, within 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you can make like 10%, 15% on Amazon. And if the market was really good, and if we had some like if the market was pushing, creating higher lows, and market was not like this, these runners could pay like 50%, and I had a lot of these days before. We'll try to have webinars if everyone joins, but I had these days that like one runner was like crazy. This 12.4 went to 14, 15, and sorry, 12.4 went to like 22, 23, and made like almost 100% profit on those runners. But some days like today, you will, because no one knows that the Amazon will run here or not. By holding runners, you will have this opportunity to take benefit from a higher, like a bigger move, and take benefit from that. But in some days like today, like yesterday, Amazon pulls back, and then I got out at break even. I could make like $200 more on this contract, almost $200 more on this contract, $100 more on this contract. Like that could happen, but I tried to scale out. So this is all about Amazon trades. And after that, the market went all the way down, even at 10.4, when the market was pushing down all the way down till 10.30. Amazon kind of went down as well. These candles around 10.26 all the way down till 10.36. This setup was kind of nice. Amazon touched basically low of the day, and then created this bear flag. The market was kind of pushing here down as well. The sentiment was very bearish. So this setup was good as well. I didn't catch it though. I wasn't in front of the charts. Today, whoa, what happened? What's going on? Wow, I didn't even watch Amazon. Okay, market is pushing here. And today I was watching Tesla, and today I was watching Tesla for a break below this 730, and I caught this move. It wasn't really that big of a trade. I just went in at 9 here. I got in here, got out around 1032 at the beginning of this candle. And because the market was not really cooperating, and I was expecting some kind of hold here. The volume also in this candle was not, if you check out the volume was not really that good. So I didn't see any confirmation to hold the contracts, and then you saw boom. I missed all of these moves, but Tesla is just running, hit 790, crazy. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is totally like, it was, I think, like, I don't know, 1,500, 1,600 trades. $1,600 profit for the day. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss, and yeah, that's all I have for today. And hope you guys enjoyed the webinar. If you have any questions, just ask in the trading chat. And if you want me to have more webinars like this, again, post it in the trading chat so I know that you guys are interested. Yeah, that's it. Take care, guys. See you.